Hello and welcome to another Sleepy Dog Construction. Ever wonder why a contractor removes the asphalt surface before construction? It's because he sells it back to the asphalt company to be recycled. Today I'll show you the equipment used for the removal. The contractor is using a BoMag 1300/30 and weighs about 4,800 pounds. It can mill to a maximum depth of 12 inches and a maximum width of 40 inches. It's powered by a 300 horsepower diesel. It has a 35-foot arm that can be raised to a maximum height of 38 feet to accommodate large trucks. Here you see the black box where the drum is located. On the drum has many carbon steel teeth to pulverize the asphalt. The contractor is milling to a depth of 4 inches and a width of 40 inches. As the machine crawls along, the dump truck in front catches the asphalt. When the dump truck is full, it will head to the plant and another dump truck will take its place. Now you know how and why the asphalt is removed. I hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe, hit the thumbs up so you won't miss any future videos, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.